Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. Makhumalo seemingly removed her marital surname from her Instagram profile, raising questions among fans about the state of her polygamous marriage to Musa. Makhumalo's decision to drop Moseleku from the profile has ignited a flurry of online debate. The change comes at a time where the tension within the Moseleku household has been apparent than ever. On the current season of Uthando Nesithembu, fans have noticed an increased level of strain in Moselegu's polygamous relationship with his multiple wives, including Makhumalo. With a recent shift in Makhumalo's social media profile, fans have begun speculating that she might be ready to end her marriage. Some believe that her decision to remove Moseleku is a clear sign that she is distancing herself from the marriage. During the latest season of Uthando Nesithembu, viewers witnessed an emotionally charged moment at Musa Mselegu's 50th birthday celebration, where Makhumalo was publicly criticized for arriving late. Fans also learned that she has been supporting Musa Mselegu financially. Despite the speculation, Makhumalo has yet to publicly address the change of her Instagram profile or provide any clarification regarding her relationship with Musa Mselegu. As the drama continues to unfold on Uthando Nesithembu, fans are left wondering whether Makhumalo's Instagram move is a quiet declaration of independence or simply a temporary decision. Only time will tell what lies ahead of the reality TV star and her marriage. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.